Hi guys, I'm here now at BGC Uptown. Magpapa-Korean scalp tonic treatment ako with Jelly Skin. And after that, mag-shoot ako ng campaign ko for SM. Kasama ko yung friend ko. And after nung shoot namin, madali lang naman yun. Parang isang TikTok video lang siya. And then, yun, baka mag-catch up kami and ayain namin yung ibang friends to come over para kahit pa paano may kasama naman kami. Bahala nung ano yung mga mangyayari today, but let's see. And to be honest, medyo wala akong energy this morning kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-coffee. And for me, yung pinakamalakas sa coffee, McDonald's. I don't know, pero iba talaga yung amats niya sa akin. So, we're going inside the mall to get some coffee muna before yung treatment ko. Para kahit pa paano naman may energy tayo today. Kasi mukhang hanggang mamayang gabi pa ako dito. O diba, before getting some coffee, napadaan pa ako dito sa H&M. Wala, titingin lang ako ng damit. Baka may mga bago silang labas or bago silang mga release. Pero to be honest, parang lately gusto ko talaga ng mga chill fits lang. Like sando, jorts, gano'n, na medyo mahaba. Like this one. I actually have jorts, the black and wash denim. Hanap ako ng mga crop tee or mga tank tops na mga magaganda. Kamusta naman ang biyahe? Grabe yung biyahe ko. Parang naligo. Parang ako naligo ulit. Pero mas ano siya, fresh na brush talaga. Mas fresh, gano'n. Ooh. Ready ka na sumayaw? Ito. Asa dancer siya. So, ayun guys. Tapos na yung ating pagliligo ulit. Thanks kay ate. Hey, we're done. We are done now with the treatment. Masaya siya kasi ano, magaan sa buhok. Kasi yung buhok niya puro ano. May mga alaga. Look! Oh. May mga alaga ka nga doon sa ulo. Kahit nakita, kahit kita.
Ikaw yung may mga alaga. Ang dami mga ganyan kalalaki.
Wala talaga. Okay, so I am done now with my scalp treatment and now we are heading to High Street para mag-shoot for SM campaign. And hindi ko alam yung gagawin. Yung si Tatin yung mag-guide sa akin sa video na to. So, let's go. Nakapagod ah. For SM Keme. SM ano ba to? SMT. Are you ready to dance?
Parang dito na lang nasa.
Ha? Dito na lang tayo mag-film.
Can we like check?
Check what?
Yeah, we're gonna like check the
Sure.
newest fan.
Yung phone ko nandun.
Pag yung finals, sinashuffle nila yun.
This is like giving.
Yeah.
Get them in. Can you like hold it? Ooh, it's
Can you
very-
turn it on? Ito yung mga pang-roof, no? Pag mag-make up, pinakatapat lang sa face mo. Can you turn on? It's me!
Nagpapayag siya, nag-travel siya, gano'n. Ang sobrang nakakatuwa itong ano eh, yung content.
Get them.
Di ba parang mapapainom tayo ba? Okay, so we are here at White Space for a cooling air fair launch.
Yeah.
Of what?
The cooling air. But it's like a new fan. I have a fan here with me. We're
But-
not gonna say the brand because I think that's their competitor.
Yes.
But para siyang may air products.
And for me, ang klase nung ano niya yung tsura. This one, I like this one. And also this one. Pero mas gusto ko to kasi color black. And it's worth 1,500. Now we are getting some food. Wait, that's cute. So these are the food. We have drinks there and some pika-pika there. Ooh, it looks yummy. What's this?
Cheese track.
Can I put the whole thing, the whole can? Pizza?
Trembling, air feels like October skies. Fumbling.
Katulad ko si
So we are here in Antipolo. Na naman. Mga bigla ang mga ganap na mga bakla. Ito sila. Opo, sobrang liwanag naman. Say hi to the vlog. Hi.
vlog.
Nonchalant. Hi vlog. Shit. Oh my gosh. They support LGBTQ. AI plus. Cute. Video. Yan na. Ako si Marikit. Diba? Marilag. Ay, ito na yung salad. One serving. So guys, we are here at saan tayo? Coffee Bean SM North EDSA, doing our makeup here kasi kung arte. Kasi ayaw na bumiyahe na naka-makeup. Sobrang init sa labas. Kami ngayon.
Saan later?
Yan, mga makeup niya. This is our my makeup. Parang dala na namin yung buong ano namin. Wardrobe. Shh! No.
Never mind.
Bawal. Bawal sabihin kasi kanino to galing. Kung alam yung kanino to galing.
You know.
Comment down below. Anyways, yeah, patapos na kami. Tapos mag-busy na kami after this. And then, pupunta na kami sa event.
You always in the mood, I'm acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah.
还好我终于见到你，跨过了时间，终于再次见到你。
So today, I am here at Mall of Asia, Watson's for Avino event. I'm super excited because this is actually my first Avino event. And yeah, let's see kung ano mangyayari today and kung ano yung mga ibibigay nilang PR. Let's see. And ngayon, di pa naman nagsastart yung event. But I'll just wait. I'm still waiting pa dun sa mga friends ko na darating. So, yeah. But ako kasama right now. But I know some of the people here, but... Hi, say hi. It's for the vlog. Hi. Hello. Hi, artista. Fans. So, tapos na yung event. Nakalibre pa ako ng consultation. Nakaslay na siya. Ito ako. Mahal-mahal magpa-consult sa derm.
Ngayon din naka-promo yung ating Dermexa.
Asan yung derm? Sa pa-share ako. Mamaya.
And then we have din the bulk.
Kailangan tayo check na yung may flare up ako.
Is